Guys, this aeonium has pests. So I have two of them. I have one here and one on the other side. And that one's, it's still winter. It's August here. And winter is their growing season. So that one's opened up very nicely, doing well. But this one was looking a bit, well, it looked like it was still dormant. And some are opening up. And then I noticed that there's so much of ants here. And when I pulled one of the branches or touched it at the bottom, it fell off and it's full of ants. So I'll show you what it looks like in there. It looks terrible and nasty. So I'm going to have to when I checked it, I saw there's mealybugs. So I'm gonna take it out, and I need to change the soil as well. And I brought some cinnamon. I'm gonna put that on. So I'll give you a close up of the plant, and then I'm gonna take it down and topple it over. So have a look at this. You can even see it from here. Look at all. I don't want to touch it, but I am going to touch it when I'm cleaning it. Look at all that white crap. That's all mealybugs in there. And if you see ants, see how much of ants are on this tree. And you can see them on top. Where are they now? They're all hiding. Oh well, they're inside the petals there. But anyway, when you see ants, oh there they're running up and down the stem. Ants farm mealybugs. So I didn't understand that. I thought, how are they farming them? But I think what that basically means is that they protect them and sort of grow them. So farming them means protecting them against other pests and keeping them there, because there must be some benefit to it. They probably secreting some nectar or something like that that keeps the ants happy. So I have to I can't get rid of the ants. I won't do that because they are beneficial to the environment. I just need to clean it up, and I'll put some cinnamon, and look how pretty it is. So I just need to put some cinnamon, clean the soil, take out that mealybugs. I don't know if I can spray that damn thing with something. Anyway, I'll see what I can do. Let me put you down somewhere and start with this pot. Right, I've got my hubby to help me carry this pot because it's quite heavy. But look at this drama. Look at the ants. Oh my god, what root is even coming out through the hole? So look at, oh my god, better put my gloves on. These ants are gonna be very angry with me. So I'll take out the pole plant, clean it up. Oh, while I'm here, let me show you the piece that I broke off, and you can see the mealybugs on it. Look how terrible they look. Gosh, it's infested. So that one I threw out here, hoping some other pests will eat that pest. And I'm gonna pull this tree out, repot it, and show you what it looks like. But you saw the ants, they're going crazy on this pot. And I also noticed in the spot that we moved it from, they've got a colony going on here. Check. So much running around there. I won't put it back there now. I'll have to keep this pot somewhere else. Maybe I'll just put it around there and let the roots settle, and so there won't be ants trying to get back through the ground to them, because that one's fine. So it's just this other side has been infested there. So that's the pot there. I will get back to you shortly. This thing is stuck in here. I'll have to break off the extra. I'll try to get as much root as I can. Shh. That's, oh, yeah. soil is practically only ants and roots, and maybe mealybugs. Okay, that's not. Oh, my goodness. These ants. Okay, I've cleaned them out. I actually washed all the roots. I used I used the hose, but I used it on a fast pressure, so you can still see there's some junk there. And I've just given it a good spray. I took out all the soil from the roots, and I just sprayed the leaves as well. Oh look, this one's still got all the mealybugs here. You can see them there. But anyway, I'm going to spray them. I just need to treat this as well. You can see lots of scars from the surgery there, some injury. So I'm going to use some cinnamon powder for all the open wounds, and I'll spray the leaves with my neem and dishwashing liquid powder. So this bottle is really small. You can see it's just about, I don't know, 100 ml. So I just put about 3 drops of neem oil, a big drop of dishwashing liquid, and fill it up with water. So I'll spray the leaves for the bugs that's there. And I washed the pot. I sprayed the pot with some vinegar and water because I heard that deters ants. But I just have to leave the pot to dry out, and I have to leave these to be, to recover here. There's shade here, so I'm going to leave them here for the week. And next week, so I'll spray all of them with the neem oil. I'll spray them. So next week I'm going to pot it up again. For now, I'll just spray the leaves. Let me put some cinnamon first. So this is just ordinary cinnamon from my kitchen. Well, I've kept a container for the plants. So I'll just put some on the roots because they all broken, and it's also good for any fungus or bacteria. So I'll just put the cinnamon on there. Leave them to dry, and because all these wounds will cause more bacteria to come. And when I pot it up, I will put cinnamon in the soil as well, because the soil, so if anything is still lurking there, it will. Let's spray this mealybug here. So infested, this poor plant. Yeah, so this treatment will help it. So let that chill there. Look at this roots, yeah. It should be fine, being out for a week out of soil. And I can't do it today because it's too soon. That bugs are still here. I need them to die. Or maybe I'll put some cinnamon on the bugs too. Maybe that will suffocate them. Right. Let me see what's happening here. I put cinnamon on this root here. And I'll spray the leaves and leave them to in the shade. Okay, so this is what they look like. Stay here. You can see there is shade here. The sun doesn't come here, so I'll leave them there for the whole week. And the pot needs to dry out, and then I'll tackle them next week. Okay, bye for now.